And when you want to eat Nori Gohan, you want to have another plate like this and then pour soy sauce. And then you put nori on the soy sauce like that, and then you put it on rice. Protein-rich seaweed dishes. 3 delicious Nori Gohan variations. That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Bio-Hacking. Okay, so I have been sharing with you some Japanese seaweed dishes. Yeah, in one video I shared with you about 7 common Japanese seaweed dishes. Yeah, the video title goes 7 must-try Japanese seaweed dishes. Yeah, and also one of them is onigiri. Yeah, and then I shared with you 3 different kind of onigiri you can make. Yeah, in the video called 3 fermented brown rice and seaweed rice bowl recipes for optimal magnesium. Yeah. Now, because nori contain or seaweed contain a lot of magnesium, and I kind of incorporated with other magnesium-rich ingredient to make onigiri. Yeah. However, one problem with onigiri is usually onigiri is not a protein rich because you cannot put so much protein ingredient inside. Yeah, onigiri is more like a lunch menu basically. You just take out onigiri to eat outdoor or outside somewhere. So when you are at home, like having a breakfast or dinner, I don't recommend eating onigiri. You can just have regular bowl of rice and miso soup and other dishes. Then you can include protein. So today I'll share with you how to eat Nori Gohan, because Nori Gohan was one of the 7 common seaweed dishes, right? And then you can actually include some protein dish. So this is like a regular breakfast. It is common to have Nori Gohan for breakfast in Japan. So, but you can actually have it for lunch, especially if you're practicing, intermittent fasting. You skip breakfast, then you can have it for lunch. But this is the kind of fast meal of the day, and it's a good option to have, right? Okay, so there are 3 different variations. Okay, the first one is Nori Gohan with salmon. This is a typical Japanese breakfast. So usually you want to have miso soup and bowl of rice. Yeah, in this case it's a bowl of fermented brown rice. Yeah, and then 1 pickle dish. Which could be hakusaizuke. This one is hakusaizuke or anything else. Yeah, and then kind of 3 side dishes. That is Ichiju Sansai style. Yeah, 1 soup and 3 side dishes. Okay, and then one of them should be like salad. It would be good to have. And then, of course, because you're having Nori Gohan, you want to include nori here. And then the last one is the protein dish. So that is a salmon. Now, salmon with nori is wonderful because salmon has a calcium and then nori contains magnesium. So magnesium helps absorb calcium well. So it's a good combination. In fact, seaweed goes well with fish. Yeah. So I recommend if you eat fish, that combine seaweed with fish. Yeah. And when you want to eat Nori Gohan, you want to have another plate like this and then pour soy sauce. And then you put nori on the soy sauce like that. And then you put it on rice. And you put it on rice and then you roll rice like that, yeah, with nori, yeah, and then you eat it. Okay, so the second way is eating it with kimchi natto, yeah. So if you're vegetarian or vegan, yeah, this is a really good option. You can have natto and kimchi. So this time you want to put kimchi natto on the rice. So you want to put kimchi natto on rice like that, and then you have nori, and then put nori on the soy sauce. So in this case, you don't probably need a soy sauce because kimchi is salty, yeah. And then you kind of roll kimchi natto and rice with nori like that, and then eat it. The third way is eat it with raw egg. Yeah, it is called tamago kake gohan. So first you add soy sauce on the raw egg, and then you mix it like that, and then you pour raw egg over the rice and you mix it. Yeah, just like that. Okay, and then so when you eat nori, again you put nori on the soy sauce. Well, you don't need to, because raw egg contains some soy sauce here too, and then you put it on top of the rice and you roll it like that. Yeah, so yeah, there are many different ways of eating nori gohan. Yeah, so whatever the way you like, you can just try. You can just have nori gohan with salmon, or nori gohan with natto kimchi, or nori gohan with raw egg, which is called the tamago kake gohan. That's it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Bio-Hacking. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel, and please leave your comment. Yeah, have you had nori gohan for breakfast before? And have you had any of the dishes I introduced you today before? Thank you. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Live with you, Ikigai!